Hello techies, we are in lab 5.1.8 and we're going to configure network security appliance. So you work as an IT security administrator for a small corporate network. You need to secure access to your pfSense appliance, which is still configured with the default user setting. So in this lab, your task is to change the password for the default pfSense account from pfSense to this password given right here. Then create a new administrative user with the following parameters. Username is going to be Zolsen, password stay out, full name is going to be Zoe Austin, group membership, and the rest. So we just go ahead and start lab. Don't forget that this is lab 5.1.8. so let's just go right in case you find this video to be too fast for you, I apologize for that. You can always pause this video and walk at your own pace. Match every move I make, every step I take in this video, and you will surely get it. So open Google Chrome, and then we're going to maximize this. So let's type in the URL provided, and this is going to be 198.28.56.18. You can always copy this and paste. So I'm going to copy this and paste it right here. So let's open this, and pfSense is opened, and let's impute the username and password provided for us. So you can always copy and paste if you choose to. Alright, so we'll go to user manager and edit, and for the username, password is going to be this password given right here. So I can always just copy and paste so that I won't make mistake. So copy this, and we're going to paste it here, and confirm password by pasting the password the second time, and click on save. So we add, and the username right here is going to be Zolsen, Zolsen. You can always copy this and paste in here. And for the password, we just copy and paste to save time and so that we won't make mistake. We confirm password again by pasting it here, and the full name is going to be Zoe Austin, so we just copy this to save time and then paste it here. Group membership is going to be admin, so move to member of list and scroll down. We'll go ahead and save this. So we'll go to settings and so we're going to change this to 15 and click on save. So go to setting, system, and then we click advanced. Under advanced, you scroll down till you get to HTTP, select HTTP, scroll till you get to, let's see, until lockout. So I'm going to check this and scroll down, and then we're going to click on save. Alright, so that is all for this. Remember, if this video was helpful to you in any way, share on other platforms so that others can benefit also. Like and subscribe to the channel. Comment below if you have any question. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in my next video.